Hi, these topical talks gonna show you how to set up recovery key on iPhone. So if you forgot your iPhone passcode or your iCloud or Apple ID passcode, you can easily recover them using this recovery key. So basically, recovery key is very important for iPhone users, and here's how you can easily set up or create recovery key. Go to your iPhone settings and first of all make sure you have added your Apple ID. Now tap on your Apple ID name and now tap on sign in and security or password and security. And here you will find this account recovery option. If you forget your password or device passcode, you have a few options to recover your data. So all you have to do is just tap on account recovery and here tap on recovery key. Now enable recovery key option and verify your Face ID or passcode, then tap on use recovery key. And here you can see if you lose your recovery key and can't access your devices, Apple won't be able to help you regain access to your account or your data. So all you have to do is just tap on use recovery key, and here you will find your Apple ID recovery key. All you have to do is just tap on make sure to copy this recovery key, and you have to save this recovery key in a very safe place, and make sure don't share this recovery key to others. Tap on continue, and now you have to paste your recovery key in this box that you just copied from previous page. So all you have to need, you have to write this recovery key in this box and then tap on next, and your recovery key will be created. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.